Hey everyone, welcome back to Upgrade Your Life, where we help you become the best version of yourself. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our life-changing tips. Today we're diving into the world of superfoods, those nutrient-packed powerhouses that can help you lose weight naturally and healthily. We're talking about real food that nourishes your body from the inside out, not some fad diet. So if you're ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you, stick around. Let's jump right in. First up, we have avocados. You know I love a good avocado. It's my go-to for smoothies, toast, you name it. But did you know they're incredible for weight loss? Avocados are brimming with healthy fats, especially those amazing monounsaturated fats. These good fats are like a secret weapon because they keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. No more hangry cravings. And if that wasn't enough, they're packed with fiber, which is like a superhero for your digestion. Fiber helps regulate your appetite, keeping those pesky cravings in check. Studies have even shown that people who incorporate avocados into their diet regularly tend to have a lower body weight and a smaller waist circumference. Amazing, right? So next time you're whipping up a meal or snack, remember the power of the avocado. Next on our list is Greek yogurt, a creamy and delicious treat that's also a powerhouse for weight management. This isn't your average yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues and keeping you feeling full and energized. But here's the real secret weapon: probiotics. Greek yogurt is teeming with these beneficial bacteria that work wonders for your gut health. A healthy gut is like the control center for your body's digestion and nutrient absorption, which is absolutely key for weight loss. Now, when you're at the store, reach for the plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. This blank canvas allows you to become the artist of your own snack destiny. Add in some fresh fruit for natural sweetness and a boost of antioxidants, or sprinkle on a handful of nuts for healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. Trust me, a serving of Greek yogurt is a perfect breakfast or snack that will keep you feeling satisfied for hours. Who doesn't love berries? They're like nature's candy. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it, they're all bursting with flavor and goodness. And the best part, they're your secret weapon for weight loss. These little gems are naturally low in calories, so you can indulge without the guilt. But don't let their size fool you. They're packed with fiber and antioxidants. Remember how we talked about fiber keeping you full? Well, berries are here to the rescue. Plus, antioxidants are like little warriors fighting off those harmful free radicals in your body, keeping you healthy from within. And let's be real, we could all use a little more of that. Berries are also amazing for satisfying your sweet tooth without all the added sugar and calories found in processed treats. So ditch the candy and grab a handful of these juicy wonders instead. You can even add them to your yogurt or oatmeal for an extra burst of flavor and nutrition. Chapter 4. Leafy greens. Your weight loss allies. Let's talk about leafy greens. I know, sometimes they don't sound as exciting as a slice of cake, but trust me on this. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are absolute rock stars when it comes to weight loss. These nutritional powerhouses are incredibly low in calories, but bursting with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. We're talking about a nutrient explosion in every bite. Leafy greens are considered nutrient-dense, meaning you get a lot of nutritional bang for your caloric buck. You get all the good stuff without the unnecessary calories that can hinder your weight loss journey. And here's a little secret: they add tons of volume to your meals. That means you can pile your plate high with these greens and feel full and satisfied without overdoing it on the calories. It's like a magic trick for your plate, so don't be shy. Add a handful of spinach to your smoothies, toss some kale in your salads, or saute some Swiss chard as a delicious side dish. Chapter 5. Tiny seeds, big results, the power of chia. Next up, we have chia seeds. Don't let their tiny size fool you. These little seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber, protein, and those amazing omega-3 fatty acids. Here's the cool part. When you add chia seeds to liquid, they work their magic and transform into a gel-like substance. This gel is a game changer because it helps you feel full and satisfied, which means you're less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. And the best part, chia seeds are incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle them on top of your morning oatmeal, blend them into your favorite smoothies, or even create a delicious chia pudding. Just a tablespoon or two of these tiny wonders can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. Let's talk about green tea, one of my personal favorites. This ancient beverage has been enjoyed for centuries for its numerous health benefits, including its incredible weight loss properties. Green tea is like a metabolism-boosting elixir, thanks to its high levels of antioxidants, particularly these powerful compounds called catechins. These antioxidants help your body work more efficiently, especially when it comes to burning fat. Think of green tea as your workout buddy. It can give you an extra edge when you're breaking a sweat, helping your body torch those calories more effectively. And even if you're not hitting the gym, green tea can still work its magic by boosting your metabolism throughout the day. Try incorporating a cup or two of green tea into your daily routine. It's such a simple habit, but it can have profound effects on your weight loss journey over time. Let's dive into the world of ancient grains with quinoa, a nutritional powerhouse that has earned its place as a superfood. Quinoa is a complete protein, which is like finding a unicorn in the grain aisle. What does complete protein mean? It means that quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. These amino acids are the building blocks of protein, which is crucial for everything from building and repairing tissues to supporting a healthy metabolism. But that's not all. Quinoa is also a fantastic source of fiber. Remember how much we love fiber for weight loss. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, prevents those energy crashes, and helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. And here's the best part. Quinoa is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a base for hearty salads, swap it out for rice in your favorite recipes, or even create a delicious breakfast bowl with it. Last but not least, we have a classic superfood, the humble apple. You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out that apples can also help keep those extra pounds away too. Apples are incredibly low in calories, so you can enjoy their natural sweetness without the guilt. But don't let their low calorie count fool you. They're packed with fiber and water, making them incredibly filling. Studies have even shown that eating an apple before a meal can help reduce your overall calorie intake for that meal. That's because the fiber and water in apples help create a sense of fullness, so you're less likely to overeat. It's like a natural appetite suppressant. Plus, apples are a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which all contribute to overall health and well-being. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, grab an apple instead of those processed, sugary treats. So there you have it. 8 superfoods that can help you lose weight naturally and deliciously. Incorporating these nutrient-packed powerhouses into your diet can make a world of difference on your journey towards a healthier and happier you. Which one is your favorite? Are you a green smoothie enthusiast or a quinoa connoisseur? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.